The rise of artificial intelligence around the world has brought about drastic changes that have impacted various aspects of our lives. AI aims to create intelligent machines capable of simulating human intelligence. It has rapidly evolved and permeated numerous industries, revolutionizing the way we live, work, and interact. From healthcare and finance to transportation and entertainment, no one can deny the impact of AI. Traditional restaurants are not left out of this AI pandemic, where machines and robots take over various tasks, resulting in faster service, increased efficiency, and a unique dining experience. Join us as we delve into the fascinating world of automated restaurants, which will change our dining experience, and the disruptive power of AI and robots in the fast food industry. The rise of automated restaurant. Several major food establishments are exploring the implementation of automation technologies to enhance their operations. Chipotle Mexican Grill, for instance, is currently conducting tests to determine the feasibility of utilizing robots to produce tortilla chips directly within their stores. Similarly, Sweetgreen has plans to automate the process of preparing salads in at least 2 of their locations. Meanwhile, Starbucks aims to optimize the workload of their baristas by integrating coffee-making equipment designed to streamline the coffee preparation process. These efforts signify a growing trend in the food industry towards leveraging automation for improved efficiency and customer service. The 2020 pandemic played a major role in triggering the need for more advanced and smart ways to satisfy the needs of customers. It also helps keep the businesses running, keeping up with the need to reduce human contact. Automated restaurants, also known as robotic or smart restaurants, are modern establishments that use advanced technologies like artificial intelligence and robotics to make the dining experience more efficient and convenient. These restaurants incorporate self-service systems, such as interactive kiosks and mobile apps, for customers to place their orders. AI algorithms analyze customer preferences and past orders to offer personalized recommendations. Once the order is placed, the automated restaurants use robots and automated kitchen systems to handle tasks, like cutting, grilling, and frying. These robots equipped with sensors, machine vision, including AI algorithms to ensure precise and consistent cooking. By using robots, these restaurants can achieve standardized portion sizes and reduced mistakes. To optimize kitchen operations, automated restaurants employ conveyor belts and automated systems to transport ingredients and finish dishes efficiently. AI algorithms help predict ingredient needs and minimize food waste. This automation speeds up service and reduces waiting times. Automated restaurants often use innovative technologies, like delivery drones and autonomous vehicles to deliver meals. These technologies ensure fast and accurate delivery without the need of human drivers. By utilizing automation in delivery, these restaurants can ensure that food arrives fresh and hot. To enhance the customer experience, automated restaurants may have interactive displays and digital signage. Some restaurants even use AI-powered facial recognition systems to greet customers personally and provide customized recommendations. This technology aims to create a unique and personalized dining experience. Automated restaurants continue to evolve as technology advances. With further developments in AI and robotics, these establishments are likely to become even more efficient and customizable. However, it's important to maintain a balance between technology and human interaction to ensure exceptional customer service. So what happens to the cooks and waiters? Job displacement and workforce transition. One of the main concerns related to automation in the fast food industry is the fear that machines and robots will replace human workers, leading to a job loss. However, it's important to understand that automation doesn't always mean complete elimination of jobs. Instead, it often leads to a transformation of job roles. While machines can take over tasks like food preparation, order taking, and delivery, there are still important roles that require human skills and abilities. For example, human staff are needed to oversee restaurant operations, ensure customers are satisfied, handle inquiries, and provide a personal touch to the dining experience. These tasks cannot be easily done by machines alone. According to Casey Warman, an economics professor at Dalhousie University, Nova Scotia, the restaurant industry's adoption of automation is likely to lead to a long-term reduction in its workforce. Warman predicts that once automated systems are implemented, the industry is likely to revert to previous labor-insensitive methods, particularly considering the significant cost savings associated with automation. Warman also highlights that the COVID-19 pandemic has played a role in reducing resistance to automation. As consumers become more accustomed to self-checkout options at grocery stores and using mobile apps for fast food orders, the acceptance of automated processes has increased. This shift in consumer behavior, influenced by the necessity for little or no physical interaction, has further accelerated the integration of automation in restaurants. To address the challenge of job displacement, it's crucial for society to focus on helping workers transition to new roles. This can be done through retraining programs that equip individuals with new skills that are in demand in the changing job markets. By investing in training like education programs that focus on areas like customer service, workers can adapt to the evolving needs of the fast food industry. They can find employment opportunities in other sectors as well. Collaborations between educational institutions, industry stakeholders, and technology companies can play a vital role in facilitating this transition. These partnerships can provide training programs, workshops, and resources to assist workers in acquiring the necessary knowledge. It's also important to promote a culture of lifelong learning, encouraging individuals to continuously update their skills. With technology advancing rapidly, staying adaptable and learning new things throughout one's career is becoming increasingly important. By embracing the idea of lifelong learning, workers can stay relevant in the job market and embrace technological changes. Technological failures and dependencies. Automated restaurants heavily rely on technology, and as with any technological system, there's always the possibility of failures and glitches. One potential challenge faced by automated restaurants is power outages. In the event of an electrical outage, the restaurant's entire technological infrastructure can go wrong. This includes order management systems, automated cooking equipment, and digital payment systems. This can lead to disruptions in the food preparation process, causing delays and longer wait times for customers. It becomes crucial for automated restaurants to have backup power solutions in place to minimize the impact of power failures and ensure a seamless customer experience. Furthermore, equipment malfunctions can also pose a risk to the smooth functioning of an automated restaurant. The automated systems responsible for tasks such as order processing, ingredient dispensing, and food preparation may encounter technical issues. These malfunctions can result in incorrect orders, incomplete or improperly cooked meals, or even complete service interruptions. Such incidents can lead to customer dissatisfaction and, of course, negative reviews. The future of automated restaurants. Looking ahead, we anticipate the development of even more advanced robotic systems with enhanced capabilities. These robots could possess intricate sensory systems that allow them to analyze flavors, textures, and aromas, leading to the creation of truly gourmet meals. With the incorporation of machine learning algorithms, these robots could learn and adapt recipes, experimenting with a new combination and pushing the boundaries of culinary innovation. Another exciting possibility on the horizon is the integration of augmented reality and virtual reality technologies in automated restaurants. AR overlays digital information onto the real world, while VR creates immersive simulated environments. By combining these technologies with the dining experience, customers could enjoy interactive displays that provide information about the ingredients, cooking techniques, and nutritional details of their meals. Virtual environments could be designed to transport diners to different settings, creating unique and immersive dining experiences. With advancements in AI, automated restaurants have the potential to offer even more personalized experiences. By analyzing customer data, including past orders, dietary preferences, and feedback, AI algorithms can make tailored recommendations. This will suggest new dishes that align with your own taste buds. Additionally, facial recognition technology could identify returning customers, allowing automated restaurants to greet them by name, providing a personalized dining experience. Moreover, AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants could be incorporated to interact with customers, answering their questions, providing recommendations, and addressing any concerns they may have. While automation and robotics continues to advance, it is important to recognize the value of human touch and interaction. In the future, the integration of human staff and robots could result in collaborative environments. Here, humans oversee operations, maintain quality control, and provide personalized service, while robots handle repetitive and time-consuming tasks. The blend of human expertise and technological efficiency would ensure that automated restaurants maintain a balance between automation and the beauty of human interaction. The series of new technologies are reshaping operational processes, enhancing customer experiences, promoting sustainability and innovation. As the industry continues to embrace these advancements, we can expect a future where fast food becomes more efficient.